Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Jaimala's mathematics class. So, the topic today we learn about is number system. So, today we learn about standard form of a number of divisors, sum of divisors, product of divisors. So, here we go. So before we learn about standard form of a number, we will see the conditions required to find out standard form of a number. What is standard form of a number? The standard form of a number n, capital N, which is greater than 1 is n equals to p1 to the power n1 multiplied by p2 to the power n2 multiplied by p3 to the power n3 multiplied by and so on pk to the power nk, where p1, p2, p3 so on pk are distinct prime numbers and n1, n2, n3 so on pk are positive integers. So here we'll see how to find standard form of a number. We find standard form of a number by prime factorization method. As I told you as in my previous video how to find out prime factors by prime factorization method. So we'll take one example. Find the standard form of 54. So we divide 54 by 2. 2 27s are 54. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So here we get 2, 3, 3. They are prime factors of 54. We have found this by prime factorization method. So my dear student, n equals to p1 to the power n1 into p2 to the power n2. Here we got only two prime numbers, that is 2 and 3. That's why we have taken p1 and p2. Therefore, standard form of 54 is n equals to 54. So, standard form of 54 is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 3. Now, 2 comes one time. That's why we wrote 2 to the power 1. 3 comes 3 times. 1, 2 and 3 times. That's why it is 3 to the power 3. So we'll see how to find number of divisors. We need formula, that is dn equals to n1 plus 1, n2 plus 1, n3 plus 1, so on nk plus 1. Here dn stands for number of divisors. We'll take one example to find number of divisors of 54. Standard form of 54 is 2 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 3. We have seen in our previous slide that we got standard form of 54 is 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 3. So here dn equals to d54 equals to 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. Here n means 54 and 2 to the power 1 means n1, 3 to the power 3 means n2. So we have taken the power and added 1 to it as formula said. We will get 1 plus 1, that is 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So number of divisors of 54 is 8. So, how to find sum of divisors? To find sum of divisors, we need formula. That is, sigma n equals to p1 to the power n1 plus 1 minus 1 upon p1 minus 1 P2 to the power N2 plus 1 minus 1 upon P2 minus 1. P3 to the power N3 plus 1 minus 1 upon P3 minus 1. So on. Pk to the power Nk plus 1 minus 1 upon Pk minus 1. Here this symbol stands for sigma. Now we'll take one example to find the sum of divisors of 54. So as we have seen in our previous slide, standard form of 54, that is 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 3. So sigma 54 equals to 2 raised to 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 3 raised to power 3 plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 equals to 2 raised to 2 minus 1 upon 1, 3 raised to 4 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 2 raised to 2 will give you 4 minus 1 and 3 raised to 4 will give you 81 minus 1 upon 2. 81 minus 1 will give you 80. So 3 into 80 upon 2 equals to 120. Therefore, the sum of divisors is 120. So, how to find product of divisors? To find product of divisors, we need formula. Product of divisors n equals to n to the power 1 by 2 into dn. We'll take one example to find the product of divisors of 54. dn equals to d54 equals to 8. As we have seen in our previous slide, d54, that is number of divisors of 54 is 8. So, product of divisors of 54 equals to 54 to the power 1 by 2 into 8. Now, we will solve this 1 by 2 into 8. How will we get? 1 by 2 into 8 equals to 4. So, equals to 54 to the power 4. Therefore, product of divisors of 54 is 54 to the power 4.